Today we are presenting ANENG's new industrial thermometer. Black and red color scheme, very industrial style, very comfortable in the hand. Put 2 AA batteries on it and it will run. The back is equipped with a backlight screen. The value is clearly visible. Pull the trigger and aim at the target. You can detect the temperature, and the response is very sensitive. And its temperature can be displayed in real time. It goes from -50 Celsius 600 Celsius. Its key functions are respectively: switch units, switch the laser on and off, set the temperature value and object distance ratio. The trending temperature can be measured when servicing the air conditioner. You can set the temperature value for it. When the set value is exceeded, a red light will turn on to remind you. You see, the freezer is cooling more than you set, so the light went red. Let's measure the temperature of the vegetables again. You can use it to measure whether the temperature of a car engine is overheating. When you encounter smoke or water vapor during measurement, do not let it come into contact with the temperature sensing zone. Measuring water temperature can be done like this. Electricians also use it to measure the quality of wires. If the temperature is too high, the wires need to be replaced in time. It can be used to measure the surface temperature of LED lamps. Lamps can also be damaged after long-term use, so you can use them to measure temperature. Industrial thermometers can also measure high temperatures.